Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to extract and copy text from a screenshot in Windows 11 instantly with PowerToys. This lets you grab uncopyable text directly from videos, protected PDFs, or images, and immediately saves it straight to your system clipboard using native optical character recognition. First, click the Start button, type PowerToys, and select PowerToys Settings. Look at the navigation sidebar menu, click System Tools, and click on Text Extractor. Locate the toggle switch at the very top explicitly labeled Enable Text Extractor and click it to flip it completely on. Pull up the specific document, web page, or media video containing the text you want to scrape onto your screen workspace. Press the default universal shortcut keys, Windows key plus Shift plus T, simultaneously on your keyboard. Your desktop display will dim instantly. Click and drag your mouse cursor to draw a selective boundary box around the target text block. Release your mouse click, and the background engine will automatically analyze the image area and copy the extracted text straight to your clipboard. Open your target text document, notepad, or code editor, and press Ctrl+V to paste the raw text characters perfectly. And that's it! Your fast screenshot text extraction is now completely enabled and optimized. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.